favourite bands ever by the great Rod Stewart. Wow. We're joined in the studio by Vintage Explosion. We're going to chat to them and hear from them in a minute, but let's hear from the legend himself to hear what he had to say about this one.
Have I told you about the guy I've heard up here? This guy I've discovered in the last 48 hours, the Vintage Explosion. This guy is the best white soul singer I've heard. Unbelievable. He delivers a song like Sam Cooke's "A Change Is Gonna Come" in his own way. He's unbelievable. I'm dumbfounded how good he is.
Well, they're here now, and we're joined by Will Mitchell on vocals. Lovely to meet you. Good morning.
Doing well, you well?
Yes, I'm very good. Very happy to be here.
What an endorsement.
I know, it's absolutely priceless. I couldn't believe my ears when I heard it the first time. He started to mention us on radio interviews in the Sunday Times, and so subsequently I was getting contacted about it, asking how I feel, and I've listened to it maybe about 1,000 times by now.
Yeah, well, I'm hearing the connection there. You're Scottish, right?
Yes.
There's a little bit of that going on.
Yeah, well, hopefully. Maybe that gave us a wee leg up.
When did you first hear that he was a fan, and how?
It was back in November, and I get called by a journalist at the Sunday Times who phoned me to tell me that he just walked out of an interview with Rod Stewart, and he halted the interview halfway through and brought up a video of us singing "Change Is Gonna Come" by Sam Cooke, and made the journalist watch the whole thing and said, "You need to mention the guys in the interview, so please do."
And he did?
He did.
Does that change your life a little bit? Does that?
Yeah, it certainly did.
What happened? Well, you're on this morning for one. Which is
The
wonderful.
proof's in the pudding, yes, most
What sort of
definitely.
things does it do for the band?
To get an endorsement from a worldwide star like Rod Stewart, it's just what you would completely dream of as an artist.
So is the album blown up now?
Yes, we've got 2 live albums out already. We've got our first studio album coming out on the end of the summer.
Yeah.
We've got a tour booked for next year, which you can find all the details on thevintageexplosion.com.
Always good, isn't he? Yeah.
Very good.
And we've also got some extra tickets for 2 gigs this year, which is the 9th of June in Liverpool and the 15th of September in Edinburgh.
Okay, well plugged. No one ever talks to the drummer.
How are you?
How's it going? How are you? You well?
Yeah.
So how are you enjoying this newfound fame with Rod Stewart?
It's pretty amazing just to be doing things like this. It's mad. It's gone from being just a normal kind of musician working away up in Scotland to now all over the UK and meeting people like you guys and doing this. It's mad.
Is this a high point? Yeah, no.
Yeah,
there's going to be higher points than this.
It's great. It's
Well,
just so
good
good.
stuff. Lovely talk. You see, talk to drummers more, Alison. Talk to them more. They can actually speak and stuff.
I know,
So see, I'm in the drumming
Next
union
time we do
myself,
bass.
so-
Next time we do bass.
I'm in the drumming union. If he's ever sick,
Right,
you
that's
shout,
the deal.
yeah.
Have you got a tuxedo?
Of course I have.
Right, fantastic.
Well, listen,
fantastic.
they are here. They're here now. This is their version. Where am I looking? Oh, I'm over here. This is their version of Mess Around. It's Vintage Explosion. Good luck.
Take it away.
Oh, you can talk about the pit, barbecue, the jaw is
much for joining us.
And how good was the drummer?
Yeah, Douglas.
It was so good. Thank you for joining us. That was
Thank you.
so good. Now,
Never.
still to come, we're discussing your vaping worries in a